This derived class process based on two base classes. These least derived class process based on two base classes. This child class process based on two parent classes. So you should make object to class C. Class C can access class A and class B and class C properties. Class C object can process class C, class A, class B properties. But we can't access class A properties in class B. At the same time, we can't access class B properties in class A, because class A and class B both are unrelated. Okay. If I create a object to class A, then if I create object to class A, then class A object can process class A properties only. Class A object can't process class C properties. Since class A is a base class or parent class, class C is a child or derived class. So the rule is base class object can't process derived class properties, but derived class object can process base class properties. So finally what I try to say, class C object can process, it has properties like class C object can process class C properties, class A properties and class B properties. So I should make object to class C only. Okay. Now finally entering into hybrid inheritance. Sir, I make object to which one? I already told to you, much more time I am said this to you. You should make object one and only to the least derived class. Because he have found two intermediate or mid-level derived class. So don't make object to mid-level or intermediate derived class. You should make object to least derived class. Here the least derived class name is called as class D. Here I am make a mistake. This is called as class D, not C. Are you clear? The class D, you should make object to class D. Class D object can process class D properties, class C properties, class B properties and class A properties also. Are you clear? Class D properties can process class D properties, class C properties, class B properties and class A properties also. Sir, in case I make a object to class B, then class B object can process class B and class A properties only. Class B object can't process class D properties. The same as here it's also. Here it's also. Same as here it's also. Class C, if you are make object to class C, then if you are make object to class C, then class C object can process class C properties and class A properties. But class C object can't process class D properties. ஒருவேளை நான் கிளாஸ் பிக்கு ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணினேன்னா அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் கிளாஸ் பியில் இருக்கிற ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸையும் கிளாஸ் ஏல இருக்கிற ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸையும் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணும். ஆனால் அதே கிளாஸ் பியில் இருக்கிற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எதை ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணாது அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா கிளாஸ் டியில் இருக்கிற ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸை ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணாது, ஆப்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. பிகாஸ் class D is a derived class to class B. Base class does not access derived class properties. So class B oda object can process class B properties and class A properties. Same as class C object can process class C properties and class A properties. But class B and class C objects can't process class D properties. So because of that only here I make object to class D. If you are make object to class D, then you can access class D properties, class A properties, class B properties and class A properties also. If you are make object to class D, then you can process class D properties, class C properties, class B properties and class A properties also. So now you are knows object makes to which one class. The conclusion, you should make object always to least derived class. Here the least derived class according to single inheritance, the least derived class name is class B. So you should make object to class B. Class B object can process class B properties as well as class A properties also. Very clear? Now we are entering into program. You carefully note it out. This structure in your mind. Here found the two classes. The second class only can interact with first class. So you should make object to second class. I mean the derived class. Now we are entering into program coding. Okay. See here. Okay. Here I develop one user defined data type. That user defined data type category is class. That class name is called as parent. இந்த இடத்துல நான் ஒரு யூசர் டிஃபைன் டேட்டா டைப்பை டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அந்த யூசர் டிஃபைன் டேட்டா டைப்போட கேட்டகரி என்னன்னா கிளாஸ். அந்த கிளாஸோட நேம் என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா பேரண்ட். ஓகே, ஓவர். ஹியர் ஐ ட்ரை டு மேக் one constructor overload constructor. Here I make overload constructor. Here I make one function or method. Can call this you can set this thing function or method. That is your wish. Both are equal. Okay. Here I make one overload constructor. Here I make one method or function. Okay. The constructor required two values. First value stored in I, second value stored in j. Here I pass that I and j formal parameter values into instance variable like I and j. Now formal parameter irka I and j edutha na instant variable I and j ku pass pannirren. Just our verification. Here I